Benin people they talk say.
Oh yeah.
Now a man will not respect himself. That go tie a towel for waist in the money. Take the pursue pikin wear peace for house for streets.
Down deep.
He deep.
Benin people, he deep.
He deep.
He deep.
If towel loose. Oh God Almighty.
If to well lose, that means say the television and the vision go come turn television where people go to view
For public view. And he go come from public debate for the market square.
The market square.
All right, my people, now based on that status quo, that we want to welcome you now come on top the Portmanteau today, as usual, with open mind and clear eye. And I'm me, Osagato, that fine, proud Benin boy, one of Radical Talk. Nice to see that here, so. And I still get my honorable fellow.
So, yes, and your boy, Bamidele Okpeyemi Bello. Where people they call MC Bob.
That's so, my people, this one another one show where they get mind to chook mouth for matters where other shows they know they fit chook mouth put. As soon as I know the drill already, those who done the watch before, and those who just they join us today, the drill now say, immediately after this one, we go rush, collect our cup of coffee. When we come back, we'll come open the Portmanteau, come bring out the very first matter where we enter the Portmanteau. When I not go anywhere, when they come back. I want to ask you one question.
Of course.
You and girl don't fight before when the girl beat you.
Yes, I remember. It happened before when I did primary school. The girl beat my brother for a class. As the girl beat my brother come cry, come meet me for my whole class. Now I can't come like Bruce Lee. By the time I come, the girl joined me and my brother head beat us. See me for floor, they cry. When I reach out, they use hot water, they mock my body.
You know, your brother can't call you based on say you get body.
Oh boy.
Yeah, they love me by body.
For my life. If they can't come and say, can't help me fight, and they run. The guy beat me over. I begin to beg. I'm sorry, please. And they beat me. They go, will you do it again? I know.
Your fellow student, they tell you, will you do it again?
And they cry on top. And they cry on top. Get flopped up and brother together.
Oh boy. I get that experience. I don't go forget.
Okay, Ross.
Mary. Edidion. Etukudo. Kalabage. Akwa Ibom. No say Calabar. Calabar na the Ajebota.
Yeah.
Of Akwa Ibom. Akwa Ibom na ri Ajepako. Na there they tick, they get power. If you see Akwa Ibom man and Akwa Ibom woman, no difference because their muscles they tick together.
Tight.
See, Mary
Up to down.
and our teacher and I call Samo social studies. I did JJ for class.
Okay.
Social studies they teach us. Now I call ask question. Can you mention members of your nuclear family? Okay, everybody say I. The teacher no call anybody. Call Mary.
Okay.
And Mary not raise hand. Call Mary. Say Mary, stand up. Mention members of the nuclear family. Mary no know. So as Mary no know now, now everywhere they say I. Teacher come point me. Say me mention members of nuclear family. Now come mention.
Okay.
Instead of this teacher to tell me, say, make them clap for me, I sit down. If I do me well, that teacher come carry cane give me. Hey, say because now me answer question, me I flog Mary sis.
And they happen. You flog your fellow students.
I can't flog Mary. Sis. Mary not talk. I know Mary. She chop the cane. Right? She don't collect her. Pa.
Oh.
She not talk. After school, we dey trek, they go. Now I see somebody just draw me from back. The first thing wey give me now, I first stagger. When my eye clear small, now see.
Yoruba go call it a barun. Or ifon.
Azuka.
Abara.
Etuka.
Ifoti.
When I stagger finish, when my eye clear, now come see the hair where she do. Mary be this. She beat.
Oh boy.
She beat bastard and nonsense. She not just beat me, Mary beat me, fall me down. If you see where she pinned me for ground.
She not give you carry them.
Now just they carry story down. She pin me for that.
Oh boy.
Where she pin me.
Eh.
And that time no say not be only two spirit they talk to person. No, this one they say na two spirit talk. Multiple. One say bite her. Another one say blow am. The other one say which hand you want take blow am. Pin me. And she begin dey feed me with garri with sand. Pack sand full my mouth. She beat me put sand. I chop sand tire. I chop sand. Our principal where they pass. I save me that day.
Now go see you.
Now principal they pass. Now Mary see principal. Come stop. So I say what is happening here? I no fit explain that she beat me. I say we are fighting. Now Mary say no. We not dey fight. I dey beat am. That girl, we can't get. That principal say okay. You know what is happen tomorrow? Come with your parents to school. Now come mama come school the next day. When person will follow Mary come. Not be everybody wanna dey class together be your mate. So senior you.
Well.
Mary come.
Okay.
With one man. With one 4 years old boy. So principal come say, who is this? Now come say she's my mother. Now they come say, ask Mary, who is this? Now Mary say she's my husband. Mary not married. Mario. Then the man say, yes, I'm her husband, and this is her 4 years old son. And the boy come dey look me like say, hey, you dey find my mama. If I grow, wait till I go take your eye see. Oh boy. When principal hear my husband, principal come say, so you are the one that is fighting another person's wife.
No be your fellow student again.
Mama call the beg o. Man, I don't rest. Now small pikin dey worry am. The lesson we are learned from there. You see, not the feel say you be champion.
At all.
If woman do you. Since that day, if I hear who they call Mary,
you go Mary
from Akwa Ibom.
You go Mary leave.
I know the way to.
You go Mary leave.
And they may leave. And they leave. Idiot, this guy. You two get some slangs from us.
So many Mary there. Have them. They handle you. You may leave.
Oh boy, another one I can lead us into our first story or third department today. Talker. This one happened for Niger State, near Abuja. A man, Fanot, and the wife, just the quarrel, argue, not be fight. Inside the argument, the man just bite his wife here, cut and come out. Hey, I tell you.
He cut his wife here, come out.
Before we consider our viewers, the pictures where I follow this story, they're very sensitive. That way, when people they call it highly sensitive. It carries some kind things where you say, not supposed to come out.
The graphics,
the graphics, they're very sensitive. So, when I pause, if you not get the mind to look at, just throw away things. But if you get the mind to look at well. So, the man biting wife, cutting ear, come out.
Hey! Imagine that kind of thing.
My brother. When I see that story, I say, wait if he caused this kind quarrel.
In fact, talk. More talk to. He gets some kind of frustration when we say women, they frustrate man. Woman go frustrate you, reach one level where we say, you go want kill her. When we say, you know, say this girl, now you there on your right, but she go see they frustrate you, John.
But wait, the matter be say, this one not be fight. Now argue that they argue.
Okay. It don't happen to me before.
Okay.
Let me say my one of my ex now. Man, I get issue.
Okay.
We can't argue over waiting all day. Simple thing.
Simple matter.
And she come flare up. Come take her personal. I don't even want to do anything that day. Now she near me. Say you will kill me. You will kill me.
She owe you.
She come hold me.
You will kill me.
I said no beat you now. Say you kill me. You kill me. Before you know, she knock head for my mouth. Blood come begin to come out from my mouth. I call you look and say, I go beat you. He say you will kill me. Everybody now they think I mean they beat him.
And because you not touch her more now, our voice like loud pass.
Imagine to say I frustrate, reach that level. Say me I can't eat her. She go fall. But you know good.
But this one now, like this man and the wife case now. When I read the story, I discover say their marriage right from time. It be not this smooth. You get problem with their I find the woman say not the man first wife. You understand? The man don't get wife before. When come marry this one, their marriage not smooth. You understand me now? So why that woman, when you know say marriage not smooth, she still stay inside that marriage?
I wonder. You see, me I believe say if things don't they go well, no be by force.
So be by force.
They know say if God does say they say you will find a woman. Now peace God they give you. No be
problem.
Man and woman supposed to complement themselves.
You two get sense.
No be say they go dey no be war. If you no gree, wanna go separate way. No sentiment.
Now, you know wetin call dey pain me pass for this matter now,
Waiting.
Be say woman get 2 ear. You say they give you problem. Now you call cut one comot.
That level. The problem go skyrocket.
You get 2 ear, no dey hear one. Now you call cut one comot. You guys start making hear one.
You no go hear anything. You no go hear anything again.
Basically, on the side of the man, wetin me as say this thing fit be say now 2 reasons or 2 things wey me see. One, lack of education. Sometimes all these men wey they not dey educated, they feel say anything wey dem do na carry go.
Not if it happen.
Na carry go.
I pay your bride price.
I pay your bride price.
I pay your dowry.
Na carry go. One, then two, make we look at the economic influence of that thing. Maybe wetin dem dey drag now, the man no get money to take do am at that moment.
Na true. Maybe na soup money.
Because for the man to bite the ear, you don't say when they take meat cook.
The ear go taste like.
You don't say when they take meat cook.
Or maybe he not give her money, she no call Greek cook meat. He say, now your ear go you go.
But that man still try her with he still try her with not try with Billy girl.
Hey.
Not try her with Billy girl.
Hey.
You know say na Lagos here now, you go say Yoruba girl go dey fight with his boyfriend, go dey fight with his guy, he go dey tear cloth. Yeah. I dey inside motor one day, one Yoruba girl dey call a friend. Èmi àti ìjà, mo ti yá Versace mo ti yá aṣọ Versace, mo ti yá tán. He dey tell him friend say he tear him boyfriend Versace.
O ṣe ọ̀rẹ́ mi, o ṣe pẹpẹ, mo ti
yá Versace. No try with Benin girl. If you dey fight with Benin girl, na your ngbirigba na she dey target. Gede. If Benin girl hold your ngbirigba,
Don Thomas.
both sides.
Don Thomas.
No let me talk. If Benin girl see opportunity, grab your ngbirigba.
Oh bros, I remember if they hold that thing. Fight no go gree fight. Now you the fire. Give me in Jesus' name. I beg
God.
You see, your voice
go thin.
You go beg.
Your voice when people go, you go thin.
You go squeeze up.
Benin girl. If Benin girl hold your ngbirigba, now you go lead down and receive Christ as your Lord and personal Savior without being told.
He said, will you do this for me? He said,
yes.
Will you
do so again? No.
You don't point your way, you
Oh boy, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to take another short break, and when we come back, we'll come take the next matter for Inside the Portmanteau today. We enjoy ourselves inside the studio, but before we go, in case you said don't fight with woman before, when the woman beat you as a guy, let us know. Then if you be woman, you don't fight man before when they say you beat her pieces, let us know. But Zomzu fighting not good. Una welcome back. This na still talk that fine proud Benin boy. In case now want follow me on top any of the social media platform. My handle on top Instagram and Twitter now at the Real Talk at alphabet D Real Talk. On Facebook, if you follow me, my page now Osagiator, Osagiator TALK. That's Osagiator Talk.
Yes, so as you follow the fine, proud Benin boy, MC Talk on the Real Talk page, you can follow myself on Instagram at be MC Bob 9 Ninja. And on YouTube, I still be MC Bob 9 Ja. And then on Facebook, I still be MC Bob Babi Dele Bello. That's so good. You gonna follow the
You guys say make people they follow me. Where you they go? You say you know where you they go. You they go Naija. You say Naija. You see they go Naija. You are a confused fellow. You are confused.
I don't confuse at all.
The next matter where enter inside the portmanteau, no matter where touch me. This matter touch me. When I see this matter be don dey on for some time. Okay. But now the new development where come out again now. That make me say make we carry am come on top the portmanteau. It concern one Ghanaian pastor where based for America. His name na Sylvester Ofori.
Sylvester Ofori.
Well-known pastor for America where they do miracles here and there. This man, he dey do miracle for America, for his church. His church full. Just carry kill him wife.
He kill him wife.
Not be say he strangle her, not be say he press her, not be he shoot her. He go meet him wife for working place. Shoot her.
You mean say the pastor kill him wife?
He kill her. And waiting make the matter touch me. He say the guy threatening to kill his wife.
He threaten.
He threaten, not be say he threaten his wife one-on-one. His wife dey there. His wife brother dey there. Another lady dey there where he threaten say he promise say he go kill her.
See, we go talk say demon don't affect that one, abi don't afflict am.
Mo not talk too much. Mo na watch the video.
Hey.
You are a pastor. You don't know whether you are confirmed or you are a pastor, my friend. Get the fuck out of here before I fuck you up. We didn't come here for you. We did not come here for you. Don't let me hurt you. Leave. We didn't come here for you. We came to get something.
Can I promise you something?
Promise me.
If I don't kill your sister, then me, I am free.
You got the video, right?
Yeah, I got
right,
it.
call the cops.
No, it's not.
No, call the cops. Then, no.
Baba, stop that.
I think you don't see the video.
Oh boy.
May not be like say we just dey talk too much. Oh,
He did there with the white brother.
with the white brother, they threaten her.
And phone there the camera.
The camera.
Bro said all of them now go blame.
Yeah.
I tell you, if you go ask me, you see I see they talk this thing. Marriage, junior, truly now God commander.
Correct.
But if you know they work, you know they compulsory. How see as the man they threaten the pastor, so-called pastor. I don't understand waiting they read.
Threaten the woman for the woman brother. In fact, you know wetin pay me? Wetin pay me for this pattern? Now the woman brother. Why you? He said this is we have to report. We have to, and they not report.
And we are not report when I did there.
Now we have to. They do till they kill their sister.
Can you imagine that them I go blame? When that kind of thing happen, you suppose give them the bill to police report authority.
Wetin you talk just now?
Give them.
You not go let her. Me I not go let her come out there.
You go hold on.
Me.
See this statement is
You go hold on.
What kind of a thing is that? And shade the pastor. I don't know. When they talk about Christianity, when they talk about Jesus as example, where is it out from?
My brother.
When time is he say Jesus beat his wife, I beat Jesus threatening person?
I tell you,
Who in they follow?
Now that is the reason. Who in they follow when you are so?
I tell you.
Who in they follow? Now make me come bring this matter come the portmanteau. I dey say I don't want to talk am, but why I bring am come now? Who in they follow?
I tell you.
Now, the wife now where be Barbara. Now be the pastor Ofori wife name. The girl where he died, so where they kiss her. Now the Barbara sister where be Sophia. Come out now recently. Come say why this pastor kill his sister. Now based on say the pastor they tell the sister may join the cult group where he dey. The lady say not they join.
I just talk now.
Who in they follow?
Who in they follow?
Now I bring this one come out so.
Desperation. There's people too desperate. Only God know the reason why he go to join that cult. When they force him, wife him.
Make it. No, you must force some now. You know, say court now be say you don't know my secrets. You must join me. And if you not join me, the result be this.
I bet we may they know who they marry. No, they marry person will go hold Bible, go hold some other things. In the name of say you won't come together, you won't settle down.
You want to settle down.
I don't know why people did this. Doctor, this thing don't dey rap.
It's very painful. Many people don't talk on top social media. People just they rant. People just they talk. People talk for social media. Some of the responses now they pop up on top our screen as we talk. So some of the response where people give they pop up. But then at the same time, I blame that woman, the wife, brother.
I blame himself.
He not help his sister
At all.
He not help his sister.
Doctor Mo talk true at all.
He not help his sister rich. Because if na me, one guy for Twitter talking now, he say he with that threat, say he no go come out there. Say na there they go settle the matter.
I no need call anybody. I go first Gideon. If to say na Nigeria, oh God.
Although American government they don't arrest him,
He better.
he don't dey detention now.
He no go come out.
In case now.
I know the judge. No, I know the judge. No vex, doctor.
You don't know law.
When the thing they touch me, no go come out.
You don't know law.
You know, God go appear to the judge. I don't know.
You don't know law. Law go just talk say one thing. You fear again. Say
the Barbara don't go.
You know remember one case that year. One guy just see one woman for train station. Train station, not be even train station or train railway track.
Yeah.
You see say train they come like this. The guy just push the woman. That train climb the woman, kill the woman.
Hey!
Now when they arrest the guy, carry go court. They say he get mental problem.
So they go say that pastor get mental. Pastor will get conviction.
Now court they tell you so that they can say the guy get mental problem. That's why they just leave the guy. They carry am go psychiatric. I don't know wetin be the outcome of the case now. But as at that time they say the guy get mental problem.
Imagine so mental person get mental problem and just keep person like that.
My problem now this thing where you talk say desperation. Now so Jesus do Jesus where they go about they do miracle. The one where fit do he do. The one where not fit do he leave.
He even do so many.
I
don't know why you want
just kill wife like that because you know allegedly not join court.
Imagine
not join court. And that is why I dey tell my people make una know where una go dey find Christ. Go not be everywhere Christ dey. Christ dey everywhere actually, but not be everywhere Christ dey reside.
Yes,
not be everywhere. Nowhere dey find. All these especially people to them say miracle. They not even want follow God again. People don't want to follow the rudiments. People don't want to follow the principles. They just want the miracle to happen.
If you go anywhere, you don't know the kind of person where they go look for miracle from. He said they go meet what kind of.
They don't know who that one they go collect miracle from. They go collect power from.
And our sisters who una know they know it una they going to because they una want settle down.
Barbara death pay me.
Barbara just
Barbara death pay me. Anyway, my people, it's a lesson for every one of us. It has happened to Barbara. Let's not let it happen to. If anybody threatens you, take them serious.
Instantly.
Take them serious. Go report or you call people.
Yes.
Let people know say this person
threaten
do this for me. You understand? And then not just keep quiet to threat.
Barbara now don't cross bar. You don't feel come back.
Don't bra.
Don't bra.
You get anything on top now only for Nigeria?
I tell you for now only for Nigeria segment. Now only for Nigeria or now only Nigeria person. Go here pussy cat. They do meow they cry for night. Come begin they wake up they bind and cast the pussy cat. You don't know say now for night pussy cat self they do their lom.
When you think English yourself, I dey suspect you. All right, now only for Naija or Naija person. Now you go one buy market from. He go tell you say 300 naira last. Do like say you want go, he go call you come and say come pay 250 last. Do like say you want go again, he go call you say come pay 120 last. Do like say you want go again, come pay 100 naira last. Because the new price now 100 naira. Zoom. All right, my people. as well go take Quest Generator
That's
on top the show today. Not let them deceive as we always tell you now, coronavirus now real. Make sure say they apply your nose mask anywhere where you they go. They always they wash your hand with soap and water. Not let your sanitizer far from you. Make sure say they give the 2-meter gap when they say make we they give ourselves. Last remember say you be Nigeria anywhere where you did. They rep this country well. Yeah. Not for them put hand for waiting go spoil this country name. Not do drugs because they get any better thing where they do for body. And so we take away. Wow. Thank you, Daddy. Baby.